Imagine presenting your project, and your screen lights up with this, your own character confidently waving off a vape, brought to life through animation. Today, we're going to get you to that finish line. We will walk through the exact steps to map, design, animate, and submit your Voice of Reason project tool and the AI animation application you plan to use. Having these assets ready right now is how you'll move smoothly through the technical steps without panicking at 11 p.m. on Thursday. Let's look at the master guide for this project, the assignment rubric. We're going to follow these instructions exactly as written, starting with the objective at the top. Step 1 asks you to design your Voice of Reason. Think of this character as an inner superhero tailored to fight off bad health choices. There is a crucial technical requirement here. You must save this character illustration with a transparent background, so it functions properly as a sticker in the next phase. Now look at step 2 on the document. This is where you create your 6-scene digital comic. You will map out a short visual story depicting your main character facing a challenge, like peer pressure to vape. Once those 6 panels are drawn, stop. Do not move forward until you duplicate your entire poster file. You need 2 identical copies. Name one poster_clean and the other poster_edit. AI animation tools can occasionally warp or corrupt static images. By maintaining that clean copy, you guarantee your original hard work is protected no matter what happens in the animation software. Jumping back to the rubric, step 3 is the integration phase. Open your edit file. Drag and drop the Voice of Reason sticker into the panel where your character needs guidance, intercepting the unhealthy choice. Step 4 is where we bring it to life. Read the instructions for animating your message. Take your fully merged edit poster and upload it directly into your AI animation tool. Pay attention here. Type a clear, health-focused message for your character to deliver. Once rendered, download the final file to your computer as an MP4. Adding that visual sticker and the 5-second message turns a quiet, static comic into an active, persuasive health campaign. Look at the red text under step 5 on the rubric. You have to submit your work in 2 separate places. Submit your static poster and animated file under the Canvas assignment tab, then upload those exact same files to the class Padlet board. To actually get credit for this, watch what happens in the subject field. You must type out the full names of every single group member right here. Taking the time to format this step correctly guarantees your entire team gets their points and is locked in before Friday's deadline. Once you hit submit, you'll see your completed animation looping on the class feed, right alongside your peers' work. Now check the final step on the instructions, presenting to the class. For your presentation strategy, practice walking the class through the specific health challenge in your story and explaining exactly how your Voice of Reason helps resolve it. By building, animating, and presenting this visual story, you earn your grade, and you develop the communication skills to be a real-world voice of reason for healthy decision-making.